Jai Gurudev children. In our last class, we were playing a game. Do you remember? Can you name the game? Yes, it's a guess the word game. So we'll continue with that. Today I have a thing with me, but I'll not show it to you. I will be giving you 3 clues. You will have to guess it. Only then I'll be showing it to you. Okay? It says, I am red in color. Very sweet when you eat me and juicy too. If you touch me, I am very smooth. Who am I? Come on, guess quickly. No? Shall I repeat? I am red in color, sweet in taste, juicy, very smooth to touch. Who am I? Yes, you are right. It's an ta-da! Apple. See, it is red in color. When you eat, isn't it sweet? Yes, and you can feel the juice coming out. When you bite, no, you can feel the juice dripping, isn't it? Yes. And when I touch it, how is it? Very smooth, isn't it? Okay. Now let us guess another thing. This time I'll be showing you a thing. You will have to describe it, or you will have to tell more about this thing. Now tell me, looking at it, what is it? These are roses. Very good. Then you can talk about the color. What color is this? Yes, they are orange in color. Then how does it look? Beautiful, isn't it? Yes. What else can you speak about roses? How is it to touch? They're very tender, isn't it? I have just plucked it from my garden. So how can I describe it? What can I say about it? They are fresh. Wonderful. Children, all these words that we just told, that is beautiful, orange in color, tender to touch, fresh flowers, sweet apple, sweet and juicy apple, smooth to touch, and red in color. All these words described or gave more information about the things, isn't it? The words that give more information about the thing. It can be a person, a thing, a place, or an animal. These words are called describing words, which tells more about the things, which describes the noun or the naming word, are called describing words. Now let us look at more examples. You will have to give me the words. Give me the describing words. Okay? So the apple is sweet, red in color, juicy, and smooth. Now about the rose. It's beautiful, pink in color. It's fresh and it's tender. Can you name this animal, children? Yes, it's a rabbit. Now tell me more about this. When you touch, how do you feel? It's soft, isn't it? Yes. Next. Come on. White in color. Very good. Then I want 2 more words quickly. Furry. Yes. When you touch, you can feel the hair. That is called fur. The rabbit is furry. Next, it's cute, isn't it? Very good, children. Now, let us look at this thing. What is it, children? It's a bag. Correct. Now, tell me more about this. It's a brown bag. Yes, the color is brown. Now, what else? What else can you think of? Quick. Where do you carry this bag to? The school. Very good. So we can say it as it's a school bag. Then what else? Quickly. What is it made up of? Have you ever thought? This bag is made up of a material called cotton. It's a cotton bag. Okay, children? Next, you might have learnt it in EVS, right? We wear cotton clothes during summer. Yes, this bag is made up of cotton cloth. Next, uh, does it look like the bag that you used to carry last year? No, then it's a new one. It's a new bag. Look at these birds, children. How are they? They are colorful. Very good. Then, come on, quickly. Tell me more about these birds. No? Tell me about their size now. They are very small, tiny, isn't it? Compare the size of the flower and the bird. You will come to know they are really small, tiny. Now, let us count. How many birds are there over here? Three. Yes. Let's talk about the weight of the bird. Do you think these birds are heavy? No, they are very light. They are such tiny birds, isn't it? They can't be heavy. They are very light. This is a picture of a mother and a child. Now children, I want you to give me few words that tells more about mother or describes a mother. Quickly. Loving? Yes, that's the first word that comes to mind when you say mother. Then caring. Very good. What else can you say? Best mom. Isn't it? Yes, best mother. Next. She's smiling. Next. Sweet. She speaks very sweetly to the child, isn't it? Next. Special. She's the special person in everyone's life. Next. She's strong too. The words that describe or tell more about a person, place, animal or thing are called describing words. Children, look at this scenery. Now, looking at it, I'll be giving you few words. You have to describe them. Okay? The first word is evening. Yes, it's a beautiful evening. Next, sun. Yellow sun. Very good, children. Next, trees. Two trees. Yes. Next, we'll talk about boat. Small boat. Wonderful. Next, about the water. Cold water. That's really good. You can also say blue water. That's also fine. Grass. Green grass or Fresh grass. Yes. Very good, children. Children, I want you to draw a scenery or any picture that you would like to draw and describe it. As I have described in the previous slide, that is about the scenery, you can draw a picture of a forest, park, a scenery, seashore, or maybe your favorite characters too, and then explain about it. Explain in the sense, give the describing words. You can just give the describing words as I told: yellow sun, fresh grass, blue sky, like that. Or if possible, try to frame a sentence using describing words. Okay, children, will you try that? That's good. That's it for today. See you in next class. Jai Gurudev.